Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And I go by the name Yosin Emmanuel from the Ghana Communication Technology University Software Engineering Department. And in this video tutorial, we are going to talk about how to make a 4-to-1 multiplexer in Logism. First of all, we need 4 of the AND gates. And to do this, we move to our extreme left into the panel on that area. And we look for the AND gate and bring it to our workspace. And to make a duplicate, we use the Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V for copy and paste to make the duplicate of 3 in addition to the first one, making it a 4 AND gate. We also need one OR gate. It could also be found in the same panel as the AND gate. With the AND gate, we need to make sure they have one AND gate output, And also, our OR gate here has an input of 5, so we need to reduce it to an input of 4. And now we need to connect each input of the OR gate to the single output of the AND gate, and this could be done doing it simultaneously. And now we have to reduce the input of the AND gate to 3, and that can be done in the panel where we went for the AND and OR gates. So in the box below, you can change the input, the output, and other stuffs. And thereafter, we need 2 NOT gates, which can also be found in that same panel. We also need 6 input logic states, and as we can see, it's a green square shaped figure up there. So you get the 6 input logic states in addition to the other logic circuit devices you need. First of all, with the connection, you connect a single input of the AND gate to the 6 logic state units before further connections. The main function of a multiplexer is to select one of the data lines and now you need to connect the output of the OR gate to a LED. Initially, we connected 4 logic states to the 4 outputs of the to the 4 inputs of the AND gate, and now we are to connect 2 logic states to the 2 NOT gates we added initially. The lowest AND gate must be connected to the output of the first NOT gate, and the last input of the last AND gate must be connected to the output of the last NOT gate. Then after, the second input for the first AND gate must be connected to the first input of the NOT gate, first NOT gate to be precise. The last input for the first AND gate must also be connected to the last input of the last NOT gate. The second input for the second AND gate must be connected to the connection which runs through the second input for the last OR gate to the first NOT gate. Yeah. The last input for the second OR gate must be connected to the last input of the first OR gate connection, which was connected from the first from the first AND gate to the last NOT gate. The second input for the third AND gate must be connected to the output of the last NOT gate. The last input of the third AND gate must be connected to the last input of the first AND gate.
Circuit that perform different logic operations.
So four combinations 00 and 11 and 01 and 10. So after we need to enable stimulation for us to be able to check the connections made. When there is 00 on the selection line, then we see that our first AND gate is not sending data, second is not sending, third is not sending, but the fourth one is sending data. And when it is 01, in this case we can see our third is sending data. Then if it is 10, then we can see our third one is activated, the second is activated and is sending data to the end. And when both are 11, the fourth, the first, the second, the third, they are all sending data to the output. So this is the real basic concept of a 4-to-1 multiplexer in Logisim. So catch up with you guys and see you in my next video. So as it says now, bye.